Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to have multiple accounts in Google Chrome. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is open your Google Chrome browser and then you have to click on this icon over here. And as you can see, I already have a lot of accounts and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So all you have to do is click on add option over here, then click on sign in. Now over here, just simply enter the email address and password of the account that you want to add. So just simply do that. So after entering the ID, enter your password. So click on next. And after that, enter your password right over here. Then click on next. Now, another pop-up will appear in front of you, which will ask you if you want to turn on the sync. So it's totally up to you. But for me, I don't want to. So I'm going to click no thanks. Now a new browser page will appear in front of you. Now over here, you can customize whatever you want. You want to type a name if you want to. Then add the color, then click on done. You can also skip it if you want to. And now let me show you how to create a shortcut for this particular profile. As you can see, there is no shortcut. So it's a very easy process. Firstly, again click on this option, and as you can see, the profile have been added over here. So all you have to do is click on this gear option. Then you will find all the profiles that are available on your system. Now click on the three dots on top of the profile who you want the shortcut of, and then click on edit, and now this will appear in front of you. Over here again, you can customize, add the name and whatever you want. But scroll down and click on create shortcut, and this will create a shortcut for that particular profile, as you can see right over here. Now if you close it and reopen it, it will open the particular profile over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel and take care.